Yes, hello.
Hi, this is Rose calling you from Senior Healthcare. How are you doing today?
Okay, how can I help you, Rose?
Well, this call is to inform you that you are qualified to receive an immune test under Medicare at no cost to you. So have you ever heard about an immune test before?
An immune test? No, tell me more about
Yes.
it.
Basically, it is a simple saliva swab test which helps you to detect any future health-related disease. So do you have any basic symptoms like diabetes or arthritis, sir?
Well, I have a ringing in my ear from time to time. I'm not sure. I think I did a Google search, and it said something about something called tinnitus. Does that sound like something that affects people? Ringing in their ears? Does that sound right to you?
Do you have an ear infection?
Do I have a urine section? Well,
Yes.
no, not really. My urine looks like it's yellow like it should be.
Okay, sir. And do you have depression, anxiety, or any sleeping disorder?
No, and my poop is rather regular. It's usually brown, maybe a hint of tan.
Okay. Do you have anemia or bronchitis, asthma, eczema, or multiple sclerosis, lupus?
Well, last night I did have a little bit of a sneezing fit, and I blew some boogers out of my nose, and they were really deep green. Is that a sign of something bad?
Well, sir, as you told me that you have a ear infection, you are pretty much qualified for this test. And the best part of the test is that you don't need to go anywhere. You will be receiving this test at your mailing address through USPS. Okay? To make sure that the test kit goes to the correct person, I just need to verify with some of your basic details. So, could you please help me with your first name?
I'm sorry. What was that again? That ringing in my ear is starting to really bother me. I missed what you just said. Can you say it again? You witch! That was fun. I sure hope my poop's okay. I mean, yeah.
Good morning, Angela here. I am calling to let you know that in this open enrollment, if you have Medicare Part A, you are eligible for various newly added benefits like food card, flex card, prescription coverage, cashback of up to $250, and a lot more. So do you have Medicare Part A and B?
Yes, I do.
You are eligible for the new updates. I am just connecting in a verification officer to assist you now. Please hold on for a second.
Yes, thank you for taking this call. My name is Adam, and how are you?
Oh, very good, Adam.
Okay, well, this call is about your Medicare benefits. So you do have the Medicare A and B
Yes. When does open enrollment end?
in March.
It ends in March, middle of March. Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, because this is the open enrollment, and the enrollment that this passed through was the annual enrollment.
Oh, so you guys are claiming that you can continue to change your plans all the way into the middle of March, huh? If it was true, they would say so. But they don't. You ask the question and they hang up. Medicare's open enrollment is from October 15th through December 7th, so it's already passed. What time period we're in now is for the Medicare Advantage open enrollment. That's January 1st to March 31st. Not even the middle of March, you liar. Be truthful, please. Be truthful. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello?
I am calling you from your TV services. How are you?
Okay, how can I help you?
Sir, the reason of my call is that recently our company had made some changes with our main signal frequency line. So we have to upgrade your TV receiver box. By any way, are you watching your TV right now? Your TV is on?
Yes, my TV is on.
Okay, now please grab the remote control in your hand.
Okay, I got it.
And press the guide button and do let me know what are you seeing on the TV screen.
I'm sorry, you want me to do what?
I said press the guide button and do let me know what are you seeing on the TV screen.
Press the guide? Are you trying to ask me what the name of the company is that provides my cable service?
No, sir, I just want to check your TV receiver box, which is not more compatible to catch the new signals.
Okay. Well, then let me ask you a question. What cable company are you calling from? Let me make sure you've got the right person. Are you not able to...
Yeah, it is a facility.
What company are you with? What?
Yes, sir.
What company are you with?
I am calling you from Xfinity.
Okay. For a minute there, I got a little worried that you might be one of those damn rotten scammers calling me claiming to be from Spectrum or whatever. So what do you need me to do now? Hello?
Okay.
What do I need to do now? And he hung up. That was pitiful. That was a pitiful attempt to try to take advantage of me and scam me. You did such a horrible job. Please call back and let's try again. That was embarrassingly bad. But they will call back. You know it.
Hi, this is Michael from Allstate Insurance Avoiding Day.
Okay, Michael, how can I help you?
We just share some cheaper rates for your auto insurance. So I believe you do have auto insurance, right?
Yeah, but I don't have Allstate, so how did you get my number?
So don't worry, sir. I'm not asking you to buy or change anything. We will provide you just information about the new rates only. You just compare Apple to an Apple. You will decision later on it, all right?
Well, you still didn't answer my question. I don't have Allstate, so how did you get my number to call me in the first place?
Your number is listed on auto car insurance, so it's online database. So
It's what?
so that's your number is listed on online database. So that's why I'm calling you.
An online
So,
database.
providing
Okay. Well, if my number's listed on some online database, what's my name?
your name.
Yeah.
Please hold on.
Okay.
Your name and
I'll give you a moment to figure it out.
thank you. So we will provide you just your number. Your name is David.
No, it's a good it's a good try, but okay, so you have a name. So let me ask you a question. Are you able to take questions, or are you just reading a script?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
When a number is on the National Do Not Call list, are you supposed to call it?
No. Yeah, you're right. It's the National Do Not Call list.
Right.
State Do Not Call list.
Yeah.
It's
And if a number is on that list, are you allowed to call it?
I'm sorry. Take your rest. I'm an ST, all right?
I still don't understand what you're trying to say. I'm asking you a fairly simple question. Are you still there? Or did you give up? Okay. Just making sure. And you know what's so funny? I don't think this number, that's the house number. I don't think that house number is on the National Do Not Call list. So, I don't know. I'll have to check. Hello?
Hi, dear. My name is George. I'm calling from Healthcare. How are you?
Okay. How can I help you, George?
Great. Actually, dear, the reason of my call is let you know that we are providing government subsidies on health insurance that will cover all of your medical expenses like your hospital bill, screening, surgery, and many more. So I believe you don't have Medicare, Medicaid, and any kind of disability, right?
No. What did you say was the name of the company you're calling from?
healthcare benefits, dear.
Healthcare benefits. Okay, I only heard the healthcare part. I thought that was odd that your company would be called healthcare, but okay, keep going.
Do you have Medicare, Medicaid, and any kind of disability?
I already said no, George. Were you not paying attention?
I am attention, no problem. I'm not here. That's why I am asking you.
Oh, okay, you didn't hear me. Okay, well then, do you want to ask me again and I'll repeat it again?
You speaking before slow, that's why I am asking you. I don't understand you, that's why.
Is it possible that I could speak to somebody who understands English? Because you're obviously having an issue.
Your English?
No. Could I speak to somebody else who understands English?
I completely understand.
You completely understand? Is that why you're hanging up now? You're giving up? Yes, George, you suck. Oh, that was sad. Sometimes. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is David. How are you doing today?
Okay, David, what are you calling me about?
Actually, sir, this call is about to let you know that the rates of auto insurance have been dropped down up to 40%. So I believe you have auto insurance, right?
Did you say auto insurance, like car insurance?
Yeah, do you have a car insurance?
Yeah, of course I do.
Alright, sir, so what kind of car do you have?
Well, what insurance company are you calling from?
I'm calling you, actually, sir, we are working for many insurance companies like Allstate, State Farm, Geico, Progressive, Nationwide, AAA, USAA, Farmer, Farm Bureau, and many more companies.
Okay.
So,
Well, what's the name of your company?
I know what kind. Sir, I just told you that we have worked from multiple companies.
Right, but that's not the name of your company. I asked you what is the name of your company. Are you a broker?
No, my name of my company is Geico.
Geico. Okay. So you're calling from Geico and you work with other insurances like Allstate and State Farm and all? It doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense at all. Geico is an insurer. You know? I mean, it's a good try. What's the name of your company? I just told you. Oh, well. They'll call. Hello? Hello?
Hi, my name is Jenny. How are you doing? Doing good today?
Oh, not too bad, Jenny. How can I help you?
So you got the health insurance with Marketplace, am I right?
Do I have health insurance on the marketplace? Well, yes, I do.
Okay. We will help you to provide all the updated benefits that you may qualify with your existing plan for 2025. May I know which plan do you have? It's Aetna, Cigna, Ambeta, United, and any other?
Well, do you work for the marketplace?
Yes.
Do you have a record of what I have? Hello?
Do you remember which plan do you have? United Healthcare, Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Aetna, Cigna, Ambeta, Molina?
Who the hell is this? Who am I talking to now?
This is Sam.
Sam?
This is Sam. I'm a senior supervisor.
Oh,
Marketplace
okay.
Benefit Department. You are an existing customer, and I can see here that you got health insurance for the marketplace.
I did.
And I can see here you are still residing in a beautiful state of Florida, right?
Yes, you got it. Very good. Now, what happened to Jenny?
My goodness.
What happened to Jen? I was just talking to her. I asked her a simple question, and all of a sudden the phone got handed to you. What happened? Is she okay?
Okay.
Is she okay? She didn't hurt herself, did she?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello, are you there? Obviously, they both had heart attacks or strokes and died. That's got to be what happened. That was hilarious. That's alright. They will call back. Hey everybody, and thanks a lot for checking out the video. If you like the content, click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notification. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, and we'll catch you all next time.